Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy step on how to sign up for Nvidia. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. I'm gonna open up my Google Chrome web browser. Once you open up your web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in nvidia.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, soon after that, you'll end up in this official web page of Nvidia. Go ahead and select your location from the options, and once you're inside this page, mouse over to the profile icon at the top right and click on Nvidia account. Now, you'll need to enter an email address to create a new account, or if you already have an account, you can enter the same email that you used while registration in the first text box. Since I'm gonna open up a new account, let me go ahead and type in a valid email address. If you don't want to use your email address, you can also log in or sign up using your Google account, Discord, Apple, or Facebook. After entering the email, click continue. If you are creating an account for the first time, it'll ask you to enter your display name, date of birth, password in this page. Enter a display name for yourself in the next field. Now, enter your date of birth and create a password for yourself in the next field. While creating a password, make sure to type lowercase letters, uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing in this strong password, re-enter your password in the next field to confirm your password. Finally, click on I'm a human and complete the CAPTCHA. After you are done, click create account, and now on the next page you need to verify your email address. Open up the email inbox you are trying to sign up with and click open the inbox received from Nvidia accounts. Click on verify email address inside your inbox, and once your email has been verified, get back to the previous tab, which will take you to this page where you can finish setting up your Nvidia profile. Go ahead and select if you would like to receive games, rewards, and other content. Go ahead and check the boxes that you would like to access from the gaming and entertainment and developer and business option and click on submit. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Nvidia. That is how it can be easily done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.